Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a fresh trade-in that actually I had sold new to the previous customers. This is a 2014 Evergreen Amped. It's the 28FS. Really nice floor plan. Come on inside, let me show you some features. So when we walk in this one, it's got a nice little L-shaped counter area for the kitchen, full-size microwave, large Jensen TV, overhead cabinetry, storage above, nice big refrigerator freezer, solid surface countertops with the double sink, place to drop the garbage down off the counter into the garbage can below, then we take it out outside. Nice big bank of drawers. The Evergreen Amped is probably one of the very few. This is a true full aluminum cage structure. So it's built very solid. Very large capacities, like 160 gallons of fresh water, onboard gen. This gentleman, previous after purchase, when they bought it new, put a big inverter in it, big enough to run the microwave and all your appliances and lights, and with a big bank of batteries as well. So an extra feature that they added that would cost somebody a lot of money to do themselves after the fact. Large overhead cabinets with the netting above. It's got the fancy extra kicker stereo system that's got the lights that kind of change colors with the volume of the sound system. Overhead ceiling fan. Nice big couch here that's very comfortable. That'll fold out, make into a bed as well. It's going to have the frameless windows with the crank out windows so they can be open on a rainy day and still get airflow in. The opposing dinette back here. When it comes down, we have a 6-person dinette with a table in the middle. Large big back windows that you can pull those to get more lighting. Does have the patio screen kit. They didn't use it, so they disconnected it, but it does go on the rear ramp door for the exterior patio. Above bunk above as well. Real nice, comfortable swivel reclining chairs that swing and swivel real nice with a table that comes up in between. Nice big patio window to look out the awning. Everything's LED lights throughout in this unit. Let's go forward, I'll show you the bedroom. This is kind of a hybrid between a trailer and a fifth wheel, and I'll show you why. The command center, everything's right here. The Magnum inverter system's right here. Control panels, gen switch. Nice big, what I call the resort shower. Skylight in the bathroom, porcelain toilet. Large tank capacity, so it could take some really nice long showers if that's what you like to do, with the seat in the shower area. So we walked upstairs in a trailer, which is different. This is a trailer with an upstairs bedroom. Nice deep closets to hang up our hang-up stuff. Overhead cabinets above. Lighting above the bed here. Storage up underneath. There's the post for the rear tables, and the little table goes in between. Pre-wired for a second TV in the bedroom here with the kicker system speakers. Nice big windows. Come on outside, let me show you what's really unique about this trailer that you won't find in any other trailer that I know of in a toy hauler. This will have more exterior underneath storage than any trailer built that I'm aware of. More than a lot of fifth wheels. All lit, high gloss gel coat walls, the frameless windows, the nice power awning here with the Sombrella material. It's not vinyl. So again, another upgraded materials to build this trailer to make it a nice trailer. Large doorway. Exterior system for your stereo, so we don't have to go inside and be able to change the volume and whatnot. It can all be controlled from outside. Plug-ins for your TV if we want to put a TV outside. Large wheels and tires filled with nitrogen. This is going to have the trailer Equiflex suspension on the suspension as well. Kicker exterior speakers. LED light strip that goes underneath the awning as well, just not lit up at this time. Nice big 8-foot patio deck out the back end. That's a real nice lightweight door. It's got a 2,000 pound capacity. If it comes down with the cable kit, this becomes a patio or becomes the ramp. Got the rear screen wall. It's got power rear stabilizers here to stabilize the back end. The 12-volt fuel station. This one has both tanks for fuel, one for the Gen, one for the toys. The fold-out ladder. This is where we take the garbage can out from behind the sink with the battery disconnect switch inside there. Big hot water heater, gas and electric. It's got the 4,000 watt generator by Onan. And then this front bay is a pass-through bay from the other side. Again, I don't know of any other toy hauler or sport utility trailer that's going to give you this kind of exterior storage. So not making this floor plan anymore, so if that's something that you like, move quick, because this used pre-owned very nice clean unit is not going to stick around very long. Nice one-piece end cap here. Got the LED lights, propane tanks, power tongue jack. This customer actually extended the hitch to give him more clearance as he's maneuvering. So that kind of wraps it up on this walk around on this 2014 Evergreen Amp toy hauler. Again, my name is Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. My direct number is 541-979-1770. And remember, if you don't contact me, I can't get you the right deal. Come on in and see me. Thanks.